Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to generate images using DALL-E 2. So first of all you need to access the website openai.com/DALL-E 2, and then you need to sign up or just sign in if you have a Google account. After signing in, here we have our interface, so you can access your history of the images you have already generate, or you can have collections like favorite collection, or just create a new collection. Here we're gonna make a test. We're gonna call this collection test, and then scroll the button to make it private and click create new collection. And here you have your collection, so you can create as many collections as you need, and you can delete it if you want. That's about the first view. Then okay, here you have some examples of images already generated using DALL-E 2, and here we have the prompt if we want to generate a new image. So you can just start with the clicking the button surprise me to have a random description, and then click the button generate to generate images based on this description you generated randomly. Here you have the images generated using DALL-E 2. You can save the image to any collection you want. You can download it, and you can here you can edit it if you want. You have many tools below. You can use anyone you want, and then start editing your image. Like this. Okay, you have also the button variations if you want to create more variations of this image. Okay, just like this. The right corner you have all your history, so you can see all the images you have generated before. Okay, let's go back and try another description. Okay, you can use the examples already created by OpenAI, or just you can write your description and ask DALL-E to generate image based on your this description. Here, for example, we have beautiful mermaid with the red hair. Okay, nice. We have four images. Three. We have mermaid with the red hair, but the okay. Let's try another one. We're gonna add swimming in the sea. Mm-hmm. Nice. Great. So that is how daily 2 works. You can add add your description in the prompt and ask DALL-E to generate your image. There are another ways to generate images or video, and we gonna talk about it in the coming videos. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.